Hi everyone, welcome to today's music lesson. I'm Miss Tan. So you might be wondering what's going on for today's lesson. Like, what is all this? Okay, so now the good news is this week is the final week of HBL, and I'm sure many of you are like cooped at home and like, oh no more HBL please, I just want to go back to school. Yes, so I thought why not we end the last week of HBL with something a bit more lighthearted, a bit more fun and relaxing and more creative. So today's music lesson will still apply what you've learned in previous drum lesson, but we're going to explore and experiment with things around the house and seeing how we can use them to make music. So your task today is to find items that will replace or be very similar to the different sounds of the drum set. Remember in our previous lesson we looked at the drum set and the many different parts and the sounds. Okay, so you're going to find different objects that can form your makeshift drum set at home, and then you can drum on it. So a very quick recap first. What are the sounds of the drum set? Okay, so with me here I have the GarageBand drum set. Okay, so let's hear the sounds. Okay, we have the lowest one, kick drum, and then we have the snare drum, and then we have the hi-hat. It has a sound. Okay, and then we have the three toms: high tom, mid tom, and the low floor toms. Okay, finally we have the two cymbals. The one on the right is called the ride cymbal, and then the one on the left is the crash cymbal. And the crash cymbal is very loud, very resonant and clangy. Okay, so there you go. Those are the different sounds and the parts of the drum set. We have recapped the different sounds of the drum set. Let's look at how we can find objects around our house to replicate those sounds and create a makeshift drum set.